Hi everybody, it's Rexanna with Past Present Herbs, and I just wanted to come out and shoot a quick video about the progress of my sowing seeds. As you can see, I don't have a lot planted, but I just wanted to show off my wheatgrass real quick. This is a small, let me put it under the light. This is wheatgrass, and this is like 5 days old. Okay, this I think is the 5th day, might be the 6th. I think I looked last night. I think today is the 6th day. But my only regret in doing the wheatgrass, and I hope I'm doing it justice by showing it under the light, after the first day, you can't keep it like wet, but you have to keep it very moist. And that is, this is 2 years I had this wheatgrass, and I was going through all my seeds, and I forgot I had gotten wheatgrass. My husband loves these green powdered drinks that he buys. He's always thinking that he doesn't get enough greens. We love greens, we love spinach, we love lettuce, we love all kinds of greens. And so he orders these powdered green with all the mixed greens, and we order them from different companies because he's always afraid he's not getting enough nutrition. And so I got this package of wheatgrass a couple of years ago, and I just forgot to plant it. That's all it was, I just forgot. So I went through this year and I seen it wheatgrass. Well, I didn't put enough seed. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt, and I just this much dirt is how much I have. There's no holes in the bottom here, and I just sporadically went through here. My only regret is I didn't put enough seeds, so it doesn't look very thick because you're supposed to let it get a little bit. Last night we went through and we just took some off, and you're just supposed to eat it, but you're supposed to cut it and then put it in your blender with your other greens. And wheatgrass is extremely nutritious. Wheatgrass you buy it at your health food stores. And my only regret, like I said, is I'm gonna get another tray, put some more dirt in it, your regular potting soil, because it has its own nutrition. And it's so, like, I didn't put the light on, and as soon as it was coming up like about that much, like about a ½ an inch or a quarter of an inch actually, and as soon as I put this light on, within an hour it turned green. So I mean, I was like freaking out. I was like, oh my goodness. So anyway, the whole thing is, I wanted to just encourage you, like, I'm fixing to start doing, I just wait, like maybe today or tomorrow I should be getting my jars in. I'm going to be doing, I mean, we can do all that we want, like stuff like this. I'm not trying to discourage anybody from doing stuff, you know, ordering stuff like that, but it's really easy to grow this stuff. Within a matter of days, you'll have a harvest. But I'm also going to be doing sprouting seeds in a jar without dirt. I mean, you can grow this stuff in your kitchen. If you don't have like a large space, you can grow super high nutritional food in your kitchen without any dirt. If you're on a really low budget, which I know a lot of people are on a really low budget right now. I'm on a low budget, and I'm still trying to find ways. Like right now, this is alfalfa. I bought these seeds last year and I forgot to plant them. These are sprouting. I love radishes. These are sprouting radishes. You just get a jar, a mason jar, and you can plant these in your windowsill. And then the more you can plant them on the cabinet, and then after a couple of days, and there's instructions, and I'm going to be doing a video once I get my jars of how to do these, because this will be my first year to sprouting seeds. And so I'm super excited to do this. So people that are on a really low budget, hang tight, because we're going to be doing this together. And so don't worry about it. I mean, you know, there's lots of other things that we could do together. And so we're going to be doing this. And I just wanted to show y'all this right here. I'm keeping them wet, but it's still 7 to 10 days. I don't have any progress on this, but look at my wheatgrass. It's awesome. It's great. Okay, that's all I just had to show. Nothing, no progress on anything else yet, but wheatgrass, and then order you some mason jars if you don't have any mason jars. It's really low budget, but it's super high nutrition. And these right here, I think you can go on Amazon and get them, but this is Lake Valley Organics. They're organic seeds. There's lots in here. I think there is, like, I don't know, it's filled up to the very top right here, and there's lots and lots of seeds. So anyway, for like $5-10, and then I don't know, maybe you can go to a garage sale or somewhere and get your jars, or maybe you can get your jars from a friend. I don't know, but it's probably not going to be that much money. Mason jars are have gotten a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it because you can reuse them over and over again. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Rexanna with Past Present Herbs, and I'm super excited about getting some nutritional things in my house, not just in the garden, and some nutritional things that's quick and easy, and very, very excited about sharing it with you. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye for now.